Whether it's simple or elaborate, trim work is the element that gives a home its signature look. It's also a job that showcases a carpenter's skill and attention to detail. In this segment, we're going to look at the techniques used for cutting and fitting miter joints.
Depending on the application, a carpenter may be required to use several different cutting methods when installing trim. The most basic of these is the miter cut, which is used primarily for making outside corner joints. A miter cut is always 1/2 of the joint angle. For example, the joint angles on an octagon window frame are 45 degrees, which means the miter cuts required to trim the window must be made at half that amount, or 22.5 degrees. While miter cuts can be made using a back saw and miter box, a power miter saw is the best tool for the job.
The trim around door and window frames is installed using basic miter joints. Follow me now as I demonstrate the procedure for trimming out a typical interior door.
To begin, pencil in setback lines 3/16 of an inch from the inside edge of the door jambs at the corners. These lines establish the reveal, which refers to the amount of jamb that is exposed once the trim is installed. To lay out the reveal, set the blade of a combination square to 3/16 of an inch. Now, with the square against the edge of the jamb and a sharp pencil held against the blade, slide the square along the jamb to mark out the reveal line.